Okay, so every day we're working on the cars and every day parts come in. Sometimes the parts are boring and basic, but every now and then we get some parts in that are a lot of fun. And today is that day. We're working on the fuel system for a car that we just modified. We put bigger turbos on, bigger fuel injectors. We had M Engineering tune the car. We got on the dyno and we immediately realized that we were low on fuel pressure. The fuel pressure target wasn't being met. And that's not normally the case, but there is a solution. So we've got a vendor, DSW. They manufacture probably the best fuel upgrade possible for the 3.8 liter McLarens. And today we're going to unbox that. It just came in. And then we're going to also install these in the car. Something satisfying about opening the box, I don't know, and seeing what's this. It's almost like Christmas. So here we are, getting into our Christmas present. What do we have? Obviously lots of other packages to unwrap. Looks like a very complete kit. And that's also something that's important to think about. So as you're getting items for your car, I don't care which car you're modifying or upgrading or working on, be sure you're buying something that's complete. A lot of times you'll buy something and it might be the cheapest one out there. Let's call it a turbo upgrade kit for your Honda Civic. The problem is the cheapest one doesn't come with all the nuts, the bolts, the hardware, just everything you're going to need to put it together. So you're going to spend less money up front, but you're going to spend a lot of time and effort and money later running around trying to find all the little things that you need to make it work. Do yourself a favor and get something like this that is complete. It's probably important to know that this manufacturer is not sponsoring this or anything. This is we chose this equipment because we believe it's the superior equipment available in the marketplace right now for a fuel pump upgrade for your McLaren. When it's time to buy something like this, of course, do your own research and find what you're happy with. Okay, wow, look at that. This is the port where the fuel would exit the fuel tank. But look at the workmanship and the quality. That's really, really amazing. Something else that's important to think about for this system: the factory fuel pumps and hoses and fittings and connectors and just all the rubber items and stuff, they're not designed for flex fuels like 85. So all of these components in this kit have been designed to allow the owner of the car to choose if they would like to run alternative fuel. So this is one of our fuel baskets. Inside's got a fuel pump, scavenge. This system's designed so that as the car's hurtling down a racetrack, left to right, the fuel's sloshing from one side of the tank to the other. Two separate pumps. Each pump has its own ability to maintain the pressure and never allow you to have fuel starvation. I'm sure maybe some of you guys watching have seen something different or better, or a recommendation you make. Jump down in the comments and tell us all about it. We love hearing what you have to say, and sometimes we learn about other things that are available. That's great. Okay, so if it was Christmas, I probably would be going a little bit faster if I was a kid, but I'm also trying not to damage the product. Here's our second fuel pump. Okay, so fuel pump 1, fuel pump 2, you can see they both have a pickup, individual pickups. This is going to be at the top of our fuel tank where our fuel line comes out, our electrical connectors meet up, and this is what I was talking about a minute ago. This right here is going to be what makes something worth the extra price. Sure, we could probably find these parts separately it wouldn't be put together this way. We would have to go have someone make this. But look what I've got. I've got a complete kit. I've got all my hardware. I've got the very important external fuel filter. Oh, look at that. That's really, I don't know if you can see the machine work on this, but that's really, really nice. We've got the adapter harness. We've got our bracket. Looks like we've got some instructions. So we've got really a complete setup here that's going to allow us to do the job much more quickly, efficiently, and with a lot less drama. Is this plastic industrial, or like, maybe I'm getting old and weak? Put that in the comments too.
We'll do a full 7 week, yes or no.
Yay, all right. Okay, so if I was a ninja, this would be a weapon, but I'm not. I'm just a mechanic, so it's going to be a part. Okay, so we're not going to spend a lot more time opening up every piece, but it's got really nice high quality fittings for the fuel filter, where it connects to the top of the fuel tank. I've got everything complete. I've got my fuel lines, filter, bolts, connectors, 2 fuel pumps, and this right here is going to be a game changer, right? We're going to drop this in, we're going to get the customer back on the dyno, and we're going to go hit that power target that we've been looking for. In comparison, we've got the factory fuel baskets and pumps, and you can see the plastic thin lines. This is going to be a heavier line. It's going to carry a greater volume of fluid. We've got this is not going to be rated for 85 or some other type of fuel. Yeah, this is out with the old, in with the new. Let's go see what it looks like to put it in the car.